Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram filters on photos from Camera Roll. So first of all, you can just go ahead right here to your Instagram and you can just have multiple options. You could just go ahead and click the plus button right here and you can choose the picture that you want. Let's say for example this picture, and just move on to the next step. And you can use normal kind of filters right here that you can use in order to shape your photo. If you want it to be like this or this, you can just go ahead right here, and after you finish adding the filter, just go ahead and hit next and you will create a new post. The other option that I want to suggest to you, you can just go ahead right here. Let me just go back to my screen, and you can just go ahead and add to your story at the top left corner. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add to my story. Okay, scroll a little bit down till you find the photo. Choose this one, and you have multiple options to choose from. You can just swipe right to choose the filters that you actually want for your photo, and as you can see, it's much better than the filters that's been added on the post. Right now, if you want to add a sticker, like a location, hashtag, or if you want to mention someone who was in that picture with you, or add a GIF, you can always do that as well. So you have multiple options to choose from in order to add to your photo. And after you finish doing all that, you have even the filters. In the filters, you could just choose the filter that you actually want for your photo, and as you can see right here, it applies multiple options for your photo and much better than your post. After you finish, hit done and just proceed to your story or close friends, and it will be published in your story. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.